Mantra Talks, the launchpad of creativity.
Hello everyone, my name is Navdeep and I am a founder director of Tech Mantra Lab Global, and now we are about to launch our new venture, that is Mantra Talks, launchpad of creativity. This is the tagline of this vertical or a business vertical of Tech Mantra Lab Global. Basically, I am graduate engineer, but today I am an entrepreneur. So it is not written in any book like if a person having a graduate skills in technical field and he cannot be an entrepreneur. Tech Mantra Lab Global is basically my first venture, which I had started in 2012 when I was in final year of my engineering college. I was in almost 7th semester of my education of my BTech, and after that, in 7th semester, after giving my exam, I started this company. In just span of 3 months, I had a 3 partner from India, from the different corners of India, Mumbai, Chandigarh and Gurgaon. And after that, for some time, I joined an educational institution as an creative manager. I was in a team, or I was a member of a team advisor to management. That was mission Terry making. After that, I went to Gujarat because I was not satisfied while doing job in a small city, because I had a thought in my mind like I had taken a wrong decision after plus 2. There was a lot of myth and lot of confusion in my mind, but I went to Gujarat and I joined an institution, that is EDI, Entrepreneurship Development Institution, where I did a diploma in business management and entrepreneurship. And there I got so much good contacts with so many venture capitalists and angel investors. After that, I went to Mumbai, and there I spent a time of 2 years approximately, and I started 2 more ventures, that was Branding Catalyst Private Limited and Catalyst Media Production. The reason behind starting those 2 ventures was, if we observe any business of this world, the main backbone of that business is and was and will be the advertisement and media. Like if you are creating a product, if you are making a matchbox, if you are creating a rocket, but you should reach to the right audience at the right time, so that they may choose your product or they may buy your product and you will generate the revenue. So that was the reason why I started company into the advertisement domain as well as in media production. So, but at that time I met few entrepreneurs and they suggested me to again start my venture which I had stopped working on, that was Tech Mantra Lab Global. And in just a span of 6 months, I had an international partner from Germany for my company, that is International Space Education Institution. So till now we have organized more than 3 or 4 physical workshops in Russia, Germany as well as in US. So we are working on many projects of NASA, and also this is my new venture, that is a launchpad of creativity, where people can come, explore their talent, explore their creativity, explore their story, and reach to the audience, right audience at the right time, so that the people and the opportunities will grab those talents, and the people who really want those talents to be in their team, so they can invite them and they can associate them with their own team. And here I want to share some share my some personal thoughts with you. So, for most of the people, life has become log x square plus z plus sine theta plus cos theta into 2 into 3 xyz abcd equal to z. But for me, life is just a paper boat. What is paper boat? Paper boat is very simple, like a student of class second can make a paper boat and can have a same feel a engineer behind Titanic, maybe more than that, right? So for me, life is x plus y equal to z. X is situation, y is decision, and z is result. In which situation, what decision you take, so the result will come accordingly. This mantra talk is a platform where you can share your creativity, where you can meet so many people, where you can reach to the audience at right time. So my wishes are always with you. You can connect us on our Facebook page. You can connect us on our mobile application. You can connect us on our website. So we will try to create and produce series of episodes for your motivation, for your support. I want to conclude with a simple message because I don't believe in talking so much. I believe in talk less, perform more. So in the last, I want to conclude with a very simple message, and that is, welcome aboard journey to success. What is the meaning of this message? Welcome aboard journey to success. If we reverse this line, so we are working for success. We invite you to become a part of our team so that we can create some productive stuff. We can create some positivity for the society. And in the last, I want to thank all the production team behind the curtain of this episode. And I'm very sure about our success. We will be a brand in future, and I should say, if you are really hungry for success, Mantra Talks will be the only solution, will be the only platform for you to feed your hunger. Thank you so much.
Mantra Talks, the launch pad of